Tell me what the name of this. I dodged the pen. Lucky me, luckily they didn't hit me. Now when I bring the nets, I'm the Black Branch Ricky from Brooklyn Corners. Burning branches of Brooklyn hippie. I pity the fool with jewels like Mr. T with no history in my brother. With no intentions of returning tomorrow. The sun don't come out for many like Annie. Half off it. Mama never had an abortion. Papa sorta did. Still I managed to live. I go hard. I owe it all to the crib. Now please tell me what the fuck's smarter than this?
Okay. I'll try saying something. I'll say Jay-Z, because the song's by Jay-Z. Okay. Jay-Z. That one was weird. Okay. I'll try it again. I think this will be a little normal. Is that a word? Okay. Jay-Z. Okay. Subscribe. Later. Jay-Z. Jay-Z.